10 things you say in English that sound weird to natives, fix them instantly. You're trying your best to speak English, but something feels off, and the native speaker, they're just smiling politely.
If you've ever wondered, do I sound weird right now? This video is for you. I'm breaking down 10 things English learners say that sound strange to natives, and giving you exactly what to say instead to sound confident, smooth, and fluent. Let's fix it together.
Stop saying this, say this instead. Don't say, I will go to home. Say, I'm heading home. Why it sounds weird. Natives never say go to home. Tip, home doesn't need to. I'm going home is smoother and correct. Unnatural phrase in a conversation.
Okay, I will go to home now.
To home?
Natural.
All right, I'm heading home. Catch you later.
Cool, see ya.
Don't say, I have a question about this thing. Say, quick question. Why it sounds weird. It's over-explained. Natives usually simplify. Tip, start with quick question. It's confident, direct, and natural. Unnatural.
I have a question about this thing you told me yesterday.
Okay.
Natural.
Hey, quick question. How do I log in?
Oh, just click here.
Don't say I'm boring. Say I'm bored. Why it sounds weird, you just said your personality is boring. I'm boring means you are not fun. Tip, boring describes others. Bored is your feeling. Unnatural.
I'm boring today.
You're boring?
Natural.
Ugh, I'm bored. Let's do something.
Yes, let's go out.
Don't say, can you repeat again? Say, can you say that again? Or sorry, one more time. Or I didn't catch what you said. Why it sounds weird. Repeat again is double, like saying it twice. Tip, just repeat or say again is perfect. Unnatural.
Can you repeat again?
Repeat again? That's the same thing twice.
Natural option 1.
Can you say that again?
Yeah, no problem.
Natural option 2.
Sorry, I didn't catch what you said.
Oh, I just said the meeting's at 4.
Why it works? Repeat again is a double verb. It sounds unnatural. I didn't catch what you said is super native, polite, and clear. Tip, use either. Can you say that again? Direct. I didn't catch what you said. Softer sounds more natural. Don't say let's enjoy. Say let's have fun, or let's make the most of it. Why it sounds weird. Enjoy doesn't stand alone like that. Tip, use have fun or enjoy something. Unnatural.
Let's enjoy.
Enjoy what?
Natural.
Let's have fun today.
Yeah, I'm excited.
Don't say I'm fine, thank you, and you? Say pretty good, you? Why it sounds weird, it's robotic. Every native has heard it 1,000 times. Tip, try I'm good, not bad, or I'm hanging in there. Unnatural.
Hey, how's it going?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
Natural.
Hey, how's it going?
Pretty good. You?
Not bad at all.
Don't say I'm good at English. Say I'm getting better at English. Why it sounds weird. I'm good at English feels a bit arrogant. Tip, natives often underplay it, sound more natural by showing progress. Unnatural.
I'm good at English.
Oh, okay, nice.
Natural.
I'm getting better at English lately.
Yeah, sounds like it.
Don't say, do you have free time? Say, are you free later? Or, got a minute? Why it sounds weird. Free time sounds too formal or stiff. Tip, use are you free? Equal sign how natives invite others naturally. Unnatural.
Do you have free time?
For what?
Natural.
Hey, are you free later? Wanna grab coffee?
Yeah, sounds good.
I don't say, it's very delicious. Say, it's so good. This is amazing. Why it sounds weird. Technically correct, but unnatural. Tip, natives describe food casually. They focus on emotion, not formality. Unnatural.
This food is very delicious.
Haha, sounds formal.
Natural.
Oh my god, this is so good.
Right. I love this place.
Don't say, please teach me. Say, can you show me how to, or how do you usually do this? Why it sounds weird. Teach me sounds intense or childish. Tip, ask for help indirectly. That's how fluent speakers do it. Unnatural.
Please teach me.
Teach what exactly?
Natural.
Hey, can you show me how to do that?
Sure, it's easy.
10 awkward phrases, fixed instantly. Number 1, go to home, head home. Number 2, I have a question about. Quick question. Number 3, I'm boring. I'm bored. Number 4, repeat again. Can you say that again? Or, I didn't catch what you said. Number 5, let's enjoy. Let's have fun. Number 6, I'm fine, thank you. And you? Pretty good. You? Number 7, I'm good at English. I'm getting better at English. Number 8, do you have free time? Are you free later? Number 9, it's very delicious. It's so good. Number 10, please teach me. Can you show me how to...
Now you know how to avoid those awkward moments and speak in a way that sounds natural, real, and native. Comment your favorite new phrase below and use it in a sentence. I'll correct a few and give shout-outs in the next video. If you want zero cringe and maximum fluency in your English, hit that like, subscribe, and share this with someone who still says, let's enjoy.